Discover luxury waterfront living in this stunningly remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, perfectly positioned on the second floor corner for breathtaking panoramic views of the Intracoastal and Canal. From the moment you step inside, you'll be captivated by the bright, open space and the constant parade of boats passing by. Enjoy the expansive screened balcony, perfect for entertaining or unwinding while soaking in the vibrant waterfront lifestyle. The resort-style pool offers direct intracoastal views, giving you a front-row seat to spectacular boat parades. Inside, this condo features high-impact windows, plantation shutters, and an open-concept kitchen designed for both elegance and functionality. For boating enthusiasts, Deepwater dockage up to 50 feet is available at just $3 per foot, with quick access to 2 inlets, making it a boater's paradise. With full reserves, a past 50-year inspection, and no assessments, this condo offers peace of mind and financial security. Experience the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and unbeatable views in this rare waterfront gem. Miss out. Schedule your private tour today